If you've ever rebuilt the same banner, testimonial, or section again and again on Kajabi, this update will save you hours. Kajabi's new Save Section feature means you can design it once and reuse it everywhere. Hi, I'm Dianne, a Kajabi expert who's personally worked one-on-one with more than 60 business owners around the world to set up and launch online. Kajabi rolled out Save Sections in January 2025, and it hasn't had that much attention, but it's a really handy feature. In this demo, I'm going to be using Kajabi's new builder. So if your screen looks a little different, that's why. The functions are the same, the layout's just shifted a little. Today, I will show you what Save Sections are, where they work, what doesn't work yet, and how to keep them organized. Saved sections are Kajabi's answer to reusable design blocks. Instead of rebuilding or copying a section, you can save it once and pull it through onto the page in seconds. Think of it as your own mini template library, a little toolbox of branded sections you can reuse over and over. They're perfect for things like testimonials, opt-in blocks, or feature highlights that you want consistent across your pages. You can use Save Sections in 3 main places inside Kajabi: emails, landing pages, and website pages. Each has its own little library. So when you save something in email, you can only use it in other emails, and you won't be able to use it on your website or landing pages. So for example, in an email, you might have a really nice sign off that you use, and you want to reuse it at the bottom of every single email. I can save that block, and next time I'm writing an email, I'll just add that section via the Save Section option. I'll pick it and it will drop straight in. On landing pages, this is where your Save Sections really shine. So think of things like testimonials, frequently asked questions, or opt-ins that you want to use across multiple pages. So for example, here's a testimonial section. I can save it once and reuse it on my other pages. For example, my sales pages or my opt-in funnels. Now, website pages work the same, but they use the website builder theme. So you can only use the sections you save on your website's theme pages on other website theme pages. So here's my podcast section, and I can pull this onto a blog page or my library page instantly. So in short, Kajabi only shows you saved sections that are compatible with what you're working on. If you ever see incompatible, that means it was saved from a different type of page. Let me show you 3 examples I use all the time. That is my testimonials on landing pages, my frequently asked questions, and my email signature. Okay, let's now talk about what Save Sections don't do. They don't update globally. Each one is a snapshot. Once you insert it, it's a copy. If you edit it on that page, it won't update into the Save section. To keep your library tidy, you will need to save the new version and then delete the old version. Context specific. An email section won't show on a landing page and vice versa. You can't use the Save Section feature on your headers and footers in landing pages. This functionality has not been built yet. And there is no central library screen that you can access where you see all of your saved sections. You need to access it from within your email or your landing or website pages. Once you're in these areas, you can go to the saved sections and you can see all of your saved sections from here. You can also edit and delete sections from this page. And finally, I would suggest that you clean up as you go and use a naming convention so you know which saved sections are accessible where. Think about email, landing pages, and websites and giving a naming convention so you can easily recognize what these are. Delete any of the duplicates that you have and do a regular cleanup so that your library stays manageable. Start by saving one section you reuse all the time. Maybe it's a testimonial block, a frequently asked questions section, or an email signature. You'll instantly see how much time it saves you. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more Kajabi tips. And if you want more support or want to implement with accountability, join the Momentum Room. It's where we do live builds and co-working and Kajabi deep dives. I'll see you on the inside.